Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my beauty routine whenever I take the plane for a very long flight. I thought about doing a beauty routine a few years ago when I went on vacation to Australia, and before I took the plane that time, I already knew that it would be a very long flight. So actually it was 2 long flights. So I knew by the time I would reach my destination that I would be very exhausted and I would look very exhausted. But although I knew I would be very exhausted, I didn't want my face to say I am exhausted. So I decided to do a few beauty things on the plane in order to minimize the effect of a trip. And actually when I reached my destination, my friend was waiting for me, and when she saw me, the first thing she said was, "Wow, you don't look like you've been on a flight for 20 hours." And I was very happy about that. So since then I do this routine, and I thought about doing this video because I took a long flight a few weeks ago. So I did this beauty routine on this flight, and I still have the products that I've used with me. So I'm gonna show you now exactly what I do. Now, the day of a flight, I don't wear makeup. I would go like this, bare face, because there is no point to have makeup on the plane, because by the time you reach your destination, your makeup will be all messed up. But if you have to wear makeup for any reason, I would advise you to wear minimal makeup so you can easily remove it while you are on the plane. When I am on the plane, the first 30 minutes you can't really do anything because you have to wait for the plane to take off. Then most of the time the hostess come with the food, so you enjoy your dinner or your lunch, and after that you have to find a way to kill the next 10 or 12 hours, and by reading, listening to music, watching movies, or sleeping. So before I do any of those things, that's when I start my beauty routine. And I start with this product. These are makeup wipes by Bioderma. Although I don't wear makeup, you can also use this as a cleanser for your face, and if you wear minimal makeup, it will be easy to remove it with these. Now here, in this transparent bucket that I bought at Sephora, but you can find it in any supermarket, I use everything I'm gonna need for this beauty routine. I have all my liquids here. So let's start. After I've cleansed my face with makeup wipes, I need to rinse my face with water because those makeup wipes contains cleansing agents, so you don't want those to stay on your face. You need to rinse it. I have a container with water, and I also have cotton pads here. When I'm done rinsing, it's the time for me to apply a mask. Sometimes I use a moisturizing mask because when you are on a flight, the altitude tends to dehydrate your skin, so that's why you need to drink a lot whenever you take a flight. But those past few weeks my skin was more on the oily side, so I decided to avoid the moisturizing mask, and I took a refreshing mask to wake up tired skin by Origins. It is the ginzing mask. I just put this on a pot like this one, and I took a sample. This is an eye cream sample that I got from Crème de la Mer, and I will use this around my eye, and then I will just spend the next hours on a flight like this. So this is a mask that you're supposed to apply on your skin for 15 minutes, but I would keep this for the rest of my flight. Now this mask is clear, as you can see, because you know, there will be people around you during that flight. They may think already that you're a little bit crazy, so I don't want to scare them with a green or purple mask. So I stick to clear mask, transparent, but you can find many masks like this on the market. Before I do any of this, I make sure to clean my hands because I don't want any germs or bacteria to be put into my face. So in this pocket as well, I also have a small hand sanitizer. It kills bacteria, and because my skin is very sensitive, my skin on my face is very sensitive to alcohol, I don't want to touch my face with this. So I finish with my makeup wipes by Bioderma. And now I can start my beauty routine. An hour before the plane is going to land, I will finish this beauty routine by first removing this mask with makeup wipes. Once again, rinse with water. This time I'm going to tone with my favorite toner. This is this one, the Perfect World by Origins. After, once again, I use my eye cream. I apply my moisturizer that I put in this container. This is Rolériane, the light version from La Roche-Posay. It is for very sensitive skin, which I have. And then once again, Caudalie lip balm, because my lips are always dry, especially when I am on a flight. And again, just some eye drop to avoid my eyes being red, because most of the time I can't sleep on the plane, so it helps me. If I have to wear makeup before I reach my destination, that is the time where I would put my makeup on. Now, this routine has very helped me for the past years. I don't always use the same brand, but I always use the same type of product. Now, if you have dry skin, you may prefer a moisturizing mask, and if you have combination skin like mine, a refreshing mask like this one is a good solution. Now I'm all done. I hope this tip will help you for your next flight, and thank you a lot for watching. Bye bye.